This is needlepointers.com. Today we'd like to show you how to make this fun Valentine wreath using some loop yarn and some decoration. For this project you'll need some loop yarn, and I found this Bernat Elise Blanket Easy looped yarn in this pretty maroon color. You'll need a wire wreath frame in the shape of a heart, and you'll need some decoration to put on to the wreath at the end. And I found this cute little pillow ornament thing. I also found these hearts, or this larger heart, which I think any of these might go, but it's all going to depend on the color of your yarn that you end up with. You also need a glue gun and a pair of scissors. To start your wreath, I recommend that you cut 1 or 2 loops open on your loop yarn, and then start along one of the sides because that'll be easier to get started with. Tie your yarn onto near the back of the hoop so that it can hold on to get started. Next, we're going to wrap around and around and around and around the loop yarn, but what we want to make sure is that we're not squishing all of the loops. We want the loops to stand up. So pass the loop yarn through and wrap it around, but make sure that your loops aren't getting caught on the inside of your wreath and that they're kind of standing up, because you want your wreath to have dimension and we don't want all the loops to be caught and squished down. So take your time while you're doing this to make sure that you're not squishing all of the loops and you're getting them in good position. And you don't have to really squish it down, but make sure that each round that you're putting them pretty close together so that it's nice and full. So you get the idea of how to do this to start, so I will be back in a while after I'm done wrapping this around. As you can see, I finished wrapping the loop yarn around the frame, and I have a little bit left here which I can use for some other project. To attach this last part here, I can glue it down on the back with a hot glue gun. And then I'm going to have to go around and fluff this up a little bit. I tried to wrap a lot around, but I can see there's a few spots where the wire frame is showing through a little bit, but when it's hanging up you won't see that. So to hang the wreath from the door, I will add a ribbon at the top here and just put a length of ribbon to be able to hang it from, or you could hang it just from the frame itself on the back of your door. And one last touch, I'd like to add this little decoration, and I will glue this on down here. I want to take the sticker off there, and the hanger for that, and I'll use the hot glue gun to glue this on to the wreath. So that finishes my Valentine heart wreath with from loop yarn. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you'd like to see written instructions for this project or get supplies for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video. That will take you to our website, needlepointers.com, with a blog post with all the information about this project. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to save them. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other loop yarn projects and tutorials.